Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to trade on Roblox. Basically, how does trading works on Roblox. So let's get started here. So first thing I want to mention is I'm currently using Microsoft Edge as my browser. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, if it's still there, not quite sure though, even Opera, that is perfectly fine. As long as, of course, you have access to internet. So let's get started right here. I'm just going to search up Roblox.com. Give me a second. And with this one, I'm gonna click on this result because I think I misclicked .com right there. So just wait for it to load. And by the way guys, there is an account creation for this one. Please catch my previous video if you don't have an account yet. Anyway, this is gonna be logged in. I just used my Facebook to use Roblox to create an account. That being said, for this one to work, simply hover your mouse on the left side option that says trade right here, below inventory and just above group section, okay? So this is going to be the trading landing page. As you can see here, looking for transaction summary, click the Robux icon to the top right and select your Robux, okay? Technically, this is a new account. I still don't have any items here. There is no Robux, so I'm just going to let you guys know how this trading works. So on trading, we have 4 options: inbound, outbound, completed, and inactive. So technically, inbound are the trades coming to you. And please check this often because players or your friends suddenly gives you trades and deals to check out, okay? Outbound is the one that you're gonna send items or you're gonna send the deals to your friends and your playmates, okay? Next one is completed. This is just a history of the completed trades you have. And of course, last one is inactive. Are the deals or trades that hasn't been touched for a very long time. That being said, how to get items to trade specifically, you'll see them on inventory. Click on it and then just choose any item, for example this one. Technically I cannot trade or even sell this item because this is a free one when I created an account. But from this one, just click on these 3 dots. You'll see the sell option and trade option right here. Now how to get more items to trade. Of course, you should buy one on the marketplace using a Robux with real cash money to trade in with Robux, okay? So choose anything here. I suggest if you want to trade, go to the premium section right there or limited. Those are much more tradable. And that being said, just buy anything here and then go back to trading and you'll see your items that you can trade and then inventory to trade them properly, okay? So thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.